What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the watch list. We are going to go over quite a bit, but first of all, I want to congratulate everybody that has taken these swing plays here lately. We've been absolutely killing it, including Grumpies. So with that being said, let's jump right into this watch list. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. So JD was the first one. We said puts on this one I want to say it was on Sunday. I believe this one was actually on Sunday night's watch list. This one has been falling again. If you guys don't know what this ticker is, /ES up here. This is on a 30-minute chart. You can do whatever you want. This is the futures chart of the S&P 500, also known as SPY, but these run all night long, and it's going to give you a better reading. So again, and I do trade futures, so I keep it on ES. I think this is something everybody should learn what they are and how they work. I have been making a lot of money here lately from them. That's where you've been seeing my profits come from, other than the swings. So with that being said, Overstock was another one. This one has been very whipsawy. Again, very strong downtrend. I believe I did say that we were going to go up, and then it reversed on us very, very quickly and confirmed a downward. So congratulations to all my students that actually hit this one. I know there was quite a few of them actually. And then Activision. Activision was the one that was very, very clear cut, an absolute easy winner. It confirmed, and then we've had this just massive run up. Even last week I said this one, and it's just been running up ever since. So congratulations to all of those that took that. And with that being said, let's get into the few plays that we have. Again, the market is in a very, very weird position, and I want to make sure everybody's very clear on this and why I say this. So we're actually going to zoom out here a little bit, and I want to make sure why you guys understand this. And here was the top before. We went to all new highs early this week. Everybody's happy, happy, happy. Guys, when things hit new highs, most of the time, I don't know the exact percentage, I have not ran numbers on this, but you have a massive pullback. And right now, there's not good news on stimulus, and there's been a bunch of reactions due to the new coronavirus vaccine over in Europe. So again, you guys should be paying attention to those kind of things, because those are affecting the overall market. Not affecting a lot of stocks mainly, but there is seeing panic now still in it. And again, that's why you see this massive sell-off, and that's why I made over $2,600 today in just futures, just off of this drop. No, I did not capture all of this drop. I was not in it here at the very, very bottom. I ended up selling it off in here, I believe. No, it wasn't even up in here. I think it was like down in here. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Huge profit off of that one. If you guys want to see the exact entries and exits on the Discord under Profits tab, it's there. FE is the first one we want to look at. This one has not confirmed yet, but I like energy stocks, and these are the ones that consistently pay. Now, if you look at it a little bit further out, they do continue to keep downtrending, but I do think that we're going to see it be able to get up in here into the 33 range, high 32s at least. And I do like calls on this one. It is not confirmed yet on my strategy. For all of those students that are watching this, be sure to make sure you're watching it. And again, you use the strategy to enter to make sure you have the best possible odds of making money on this trade. Now, we have another one. There's actually two other ones. I'm only a fan of one of these other plays. And NIO, I know a lot of people are going to go, you're insane. This is a Chinese company creating electric vehicles. The EV market has been super, super hot lately. That's okay. But why I like this one, not only is it confirming on the strategy, they're talking about delisting China stocks. This is technically a China stock, and this one I'm not a huge fan of. I know there's a lot of people out there thinking, this is the next Tesla, blah, 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 blah. I'm not a fan of this one at all. So I'm actually looking to get short on this one or buying puts. Again, I recommend buying puts, not getting short. And I am not a financial advisor, so I don't recommend anything. That is just what I'm going to be doing. Now, the last one over here, and this play I will not play, and there's an exact reason for this one, and it did not pull up. NVDA. NVIDIA. A lot of people know this one. They do computer stuff, and everything is telling puts. The strategy is saying puts on this play. I am not playing puts on this play, and the number one reason why is it's just staying in a range. It's not really giving me the play that I want to make. Now, a lot of you guys are not going to understand that because, again, you have to understand my strategy in order to know that. But when it's staying flat like it is on our strategy, I don't like this play at all. I've been burnt already once on NVDA this year. I think it was in July or August. And I'm not willing to do it again. So with that being said, I am not, and I say this, I am not playing NVDA on this play. It is confirming for puts, so take that for what it's worth. Those are my plays. Again, with the market being whipsawly and going up and down everywhere, we are seeing a few less plays than normal. That's okay. I tell everybody, be super, super patient. And why? Because there may be a week where we get 20 plays, and there may be weeks like this week where I get 1 or 2 plays. Make them count when you get them. So that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next.